How to resize images in Canva. Hey guys, here's a quick and simple tutorial on how to resize images in Canva. If you're working on a project and need to adjust image sizes, follow these steps. Let's get started. Once you have Canva open, click on Elements from the left-hand menu. Choose any image you want to add to your project. After adding the image, you'll see resizing handles, small dots around it. You can drag these dots to resize the image freely. If you right-click on the image and select Set Image as Background, it will fill the entire canvas, but you'll lose the ability to resize it manually. To restore resizing controls, right-click again and select Detach from Background. If you want to resize the entire design, click on the Resize button in the top left corner. Here, you can enter custom width and height, choosing between pixels or metric measurements. Canva also offers preset template sizes, but resizing with this feature requires a Canva Pro subscription. You can either subscribe or try the 30-day free trial to access it. And that's it. That's how you resize images in Canva. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more quick and easy Canva tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.